Okay. Oh, εδώ φαίνεται καλό. Look here. Here you can see very clearly the deep moat and how tall the redoubt is. So, you know, coming, charging from the green hills up here to take this. Not very fun work. I don't think Skobolev actually took this. He took some trenches further down the place. But it's well preserved. It's really cool. They actually have preserved it very well. The panorama. So yes, right here we are at the start of the main defensive line towards the south of Pleven. Mm-hmm.
There are also unsuccessful battles because it's so far away from Pleven. And this is the third area. Yes, yes. This is the fortification, conversion called the Gate of Pleven because they are closer. Yes.
Ένα, δύο, τρία.
I have one really good clue about all this. The guns that you can see lying around are authentic. Are authentic guns from that war.
Mm-hmm.
She told me.
Yeah. See?
Είναι αυθεντικά μαλάκα.
Yeah, Martini Peabody's. Σκέψου πόσα όπλα καταλάβανε.
Και τα κρατήσανε.
Βέβαια.